Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to share with you my next NGC Panda silver coin, which is 2022 Panda coin, graded and slabbed by NGC. Basically this is MS-70 coin, and to be honest with you, I really like the design of this coin because as you can see here that there are two pandas which are happily playing with each other, sliding on the snow. You can see from the faces they are quite happy ever after. Okay, so this is MS-70 NGC coin. Basically this is the 40th anniversary Panda coin to commemorate the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic Games. Okay, to be honest, I really like this coin. I mean the theme of the coin is really nice, and this coin is really superb, really nice coin, and this coin will be one of my favorite collection. Okay, the face value of this coin is 10 yuan, like all the Panda silver coin before, with the readed age. So basically this NGC coin is with a special label. To be honest, I prefer NGC slabbed for Panda because I think it's much more nicer. So I really hope you enjoy the video of this coin. Okay, and see you on my next video. See ya.